Okay, so we just got here at Walmart. We're gonna pick up 2 GoPro poles because later in the day, we're gonna head to the lake and swim about 20 to 30 feet down when we're free diving, so we hold our breath. I don't know, find some cool stuff, maybe look for some GoPros or cell phones or something like that. It's gonna be tons of fun, and we're gonna, what else are we gonna do?
Cliff jumping.
Sweet. Pretty good quality for 20 bucks. Okay guys, we just made it out to Marshall Ford Marina here on Lake Travis in Austin, Texas. And we're about to meet up with Waz, and he's gonna grab his boat, and we're gonna go all the way, we're gonna go that way, and then we're gonna go curve that way. To a certain cove, again that's like 20 to 30 feet deep, and then we can start free diving. So we're gonna do some CO2 breathing tables before we go swimming in the lake.
4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Yep. Alright, cool.
So maybe I should keep this.
Yes.
You're gonna go free diving.
Hey. That's it?
As long as you can. And hold your breath. And we're gonna snorkel.
We had an amazing day. Oh, so good, dude. Diving in the, man, I'm never dove past 20 feet in my life, and going, what, 40 feet down? So I got,
I need help, get out of here.
I've never had that feeling of going 40 feet down and stopping and then just start sinking. Like you get that neutral buoyancy and you just start sinking to the bottom. And I just kind of sat in this, like, kind of stayed there. And I felt so comfortable staying down there. And it's one of the coolest experiences of my life. And it's just the beginning, you know? Wow, so cool.